Hi vlog. So it's currently Wednesday the 4th of September and I have a lot of things I gotta get done today. I don't know how much y'all are gonna be able to see just because I'm going to literally go. But first I'm gonna make myself some lunch. I'm not sure if I showed you all my flowers, but look at the flowers I was given. Aren't they cute? I have to edit a vlog, clean my car out, pack for vacation that starts tomorrow. Also, edit this vlog and get it up for y'all. And then, what else do I have to do? Clean my house, make sure my house is organized and ready to go. Put up laundry that I did yesterday. And can't really think of anything else that I need to do right now, but there's a lot of things that I need to do. So like I said, right now I'm about to make my lunch. I hate going this way into my house because it's so dark. Let me see. But yeah, I'm about to make myself some lunch, which is like grilled food. And clean my kitchen up. That's what I know I needed to do. But yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along. I need to clean my refrigerator out, make sure all that stuff in there that's gonna expire while I'm gone is gone. Trying to decide what I'm bringing with me on vacation. Do I want to bring my bagels? Because I feel like my bagels gonna help me throughout the week. And some cream cheese, but like I feel like I might have to buy cream cheese while I'm down there. But yeah, I'm about to eat and then I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm done eating. Hey y'all, so I'm currently in my car and I just want to get on here and say, please pray, say a prayer for Appalachia High School. That is so sad. There was a shooting at the school. It's probably like, I want to say like 45 minutes away from my hometown. At a high school. I'm not sure what the count is, but the last time I checked, it was 10 injured, 4 killed, a 14-year-old. I can't make comments because it's so much to say, and I don't want to say the wrong things. But please say prayer for them, their families, that school, that whole district, that whole county. That is insane to be 14, throwing your whole life away like that. I couldn't imagine what made him want to do something like that. But yeah, I just had to delete my social media for the day because honestly, mentally, that was scaring the heck out of me. Like, and then there was an officer in Greensboro, which is a good 30 minutes away, who also was just killed in the line of duty. And so I was riding down 20 this morning, and all I see are fire trucks on the exits, like on the main exits for getting off. And I'm like, what the hell is going on? I'm like, is this because of the shooting that happened in Winder? But I'm like, well, they wouldn't be doing that on this side, I don't think. I know they did enforce more officers at every school. Like all schools had extra officers to the campuses around here in the surrounding counties that I live, like around me. And then, but there's also an officer killed in the line of duty in Greensboro. And then there's also a man that just did a hit and run, and I think Conyers, like somewhere up there. And it's just been a really sad day. And like my heart was just like hurting. Like I was like, I'm not gonna say this, when we were growing up, we didn't have that problem. Well, we did have a scare in my senior year, and I was one of the kids that did get one of the messages because it was like when the school shootings were just starting to happen. But I can't imagine, like my heart hurts, like it makes me want to cry, honestly, because like you send your kids to school to learn, to get an education. Those people sent their kids to school this morning, and they're not picking them up the way they dropped them off. Like that's so sad. I have a little sister, a niece in school. I have little cousins in school. Like that is so heart-wrenching. Like, oh, I'm currently on the way to go pick up my father because he has to go pick up a rental. So I don't know what's going on. Like I have the itchies really bad right now. I don't know if it's because my nervous system or like everything's just going up right now. But currently on the way to go pick up my father because he has to go pick up the rental car for them at Enterprise. So I'm gonna go take him to do that now. Then I just finished eating. Like I literally had just finished eating my food. So when I come back, I'm literally gonna put my clothes up, start pulling out clothes that I'm packing, clean my kitchen, clean out my car, and oh, what is it? That's it. Oh, I just gotta pick my toes. Okay, so I just dropped my dad off, and now I'm currently on my way back home. We're fixing to get our life together in the next 8 hours. It's 3:35. I want to have everything done by 8:30. So within the next 5 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, I want to have everything done. I ain't pulling all the way up because if that fucking truck comes swinging past that fucking corner, I'm gonna cry. Okay, go. Oh my God, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Running with her friends, going out. Turns on the left, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more. Get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up. I ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning in a given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know all the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' be serious.
I'm about to show y'all everything I'm packing.
See, don't like the driver, he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will, I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here trying to steal, I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will, I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here trying to steal, I need equity to sign the deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we get a new location.
That's all I got so far. I'm gonna go finish picking my bathing suits out. I need to pick like at least 3 or 4 more bathing suits. So let's go do that. As far as bathing suits, it's a family vacation, so I'm really not trying to get too much, you know? But I do know I have a bathing suit that I need photos in. Packing my all black. Let's make sure that's right. I think I'm only gonna do string top, not string bottoms, because the bottoms are just too much. A little too much. Or I can do this black top with my cheetah bottoms. I think I'm gonna do that. This top. So I need photos of that. I don't have photos of that. Top. I don't think I'm gonna do the bottoms. I think I'm gonna just do the regular white bottoms. I gotta remember to pack them this time because I was supposed to pack them for my cruise and I didn't pack them for my cruise. So pack those together. I love my wire bathing suit tops. They do so good. So this one. And then the bottoms. And I think that's all I'm packing. 3 to 4 bathing suits. I gotta bring my sarong for one of the bathing suits. I think I'm gonna bring a black one piece just to be on the safe side. And then my 2 cover-ups. 3 cover-ups. So it's 3 cover-ups, 4 bathing... 3, 4, 5 bathing suits, 3 cover-ups. I'm actually not gonna bring that white shirt. This shirt I'm not gonna bring. Alexa, Stop. So I've gotten about 85% of my luggage packed. I just got packed shoes and toiletry. And that's it. I showed y'all everything I'm bringing. Now I'm trying to think about like what all I packed. What shoes go with everything I packed.
I'll be going down to really basic. So it's like I went court. Those can bring a closed toe shoe, but I don't know what shoes would go. Only option these. I gotta use white off. I'm trying to pack these. And that's that. And then now I just need to do toiletries, jewelry, and a jacket. All black, athletic pullover. That's just like the only plain thing I have. That's it. And then I need to switch out my purses before I leave. And my underwear stuff can go in my suitcase. Can't forget. I need to buy a strapless bra while I'm down there because I don't have any more pasties. And that's gonna suck. Am I probably overpacking? Yes. Do I care? No. Because I can never have too many outfits. Also, my sister's gonna go with my clothing, so yeah. Alright, that's the jewelry going here, and then call out purses.
And then these two beach towels I'm packing. I packed my jewelry and my fragrances in this.
My sons might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today. I won't give a fuck tomorrow. They fucked up by no credit score. I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Pocket shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today. Just sent my nigga 5 attachment. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch back. They come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the girl, I'm everywhere. How you say it so with me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hand down. Thought he wasn't gonna have to stand on shit like he was handicapped.
Okay, so now that I'm done packing my suitcase, I've started on my bathroom stuff, but some of the stuff I can't do until I shower again. And then these are all the beverages that I'm taking. And then I'm also taking this umbrella. And then my beach chair is already in my car. I need to be switching out my purses so I don't forget. This needs to go in the bathroom, in the toiletry bag. I need to make sure that's closed. Is that closed? Okay, that was closed. Jacket. What the fuck is that? I don't know. But my toiletry bag is somewhat packed. I need to put a few ibuprofen in here. And I want to say that's everything. Oh, then I have a few snacks in my cabinet that I need to pull out. Alright. I'm gonna take my full thing of ibuprofen. It's not open. Like this. And that should be everything. I'm about to take a break because I've been moving 100 miles per minute and I honestly don't want to forget anything. So I think I'm gonna go back through and check one last time. Well, I think I'm done. I have to do my nose things tonight. So And then I need to make sure I bring that package with me so I can film the speakers. But I think that's all. I think that's all I'm done showing y'all for today. I am packed, prepped, and ready. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is IAMBRIALASHEA if you are new here, and this is a travel vlog. We're going on vacation, bitches. My head looks a mess, but it's okay. It's okay. Because when I come back, this shit's getting done. But this is a travel vlog. We're going to Santa Rosa Beach, which is middle of Panama and Destin. So this is the outfit. But first, we are leaving a little later. It is currently, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 11:42 a.m.
It's currently 11:42. We're not leaving until a little bit after 2 o'clock. I have to go to court, so that's the whole thing. My outfit is TikTok shop. Well, this bodysuit's TikTok shop. My shoes are torn, and I'm gonna throw this cardigan on from Goodies. I don't know if y'all know what Goodies is. It's like a old store. It's kind of like another TJ Maxx, Marshalls type thing. But I got this from Goodies. I'm just gonna wear this in the courtroom. And so I'm looking at my courtroom, I'm taking this shit off. And then my purse is just Marshalls. Everything is kind of already packed. Like, I've already packed everything up. If you look at my last vlog, you can see what all I packed. This stuff just has to go in the car. And then I need to make sure I grab my straw hat, because I ain't leaving without it. Can't leave without it. Okay, so my house is clean. Oh, I need to get this. I had to go meet my brother at my parents' house when he gets there. I'm about to leave my house now because I need to go get stuff out of my parents' house. So we've been on the road for like 2.5 hours, maybe 3. We just stopped at McDonald's. So look at these. I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. But court went good. We are at McDonald's. We're in like Shorter, Alabama. Like it literally brought us all the way down through Alabama. We're going straight down Alabama, like from Alabama to the Panhandle. They're moving so slow. I knocked us down like 10 minutes. But yeah, we are in Shorter, Alabama, and we got like, I want to say 3 hours left. It's 5 hours and 40 something minutes from where we were. My sister and them have already made it. I think my mom and them were like almost there. They had a flat tire. I had to get their shit looked. I had to take us like a Ford place to get it patched. So yeah, this is in my face for what? I keep fucking up the front of these sandals, boy, every time. I'm gonna try to go all down my food real quick. I need to pour this Red Bull in this cup because I can drink that for my drink. Fucking rubber bands. I'll put the apple and mustard. I'll put that. Also, McDonald's in Alabama ain't got 2 for $3. I don't know what that's about. But they ain't got 2 for $3 over here. I pay $8 for a meal. I pay $4 for at home. Also, when I get down there, I gotta start editing the vlog. I gotta finish editing that vlog and get it up tonight. Like export it and ready to upload. I know you could have put $15 in here. That nigga put $14.48. And my shit is not full. Alright. I'll probably pick y'all up when we make it.
Was it Lowe's?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I have one.
Watch it out like a hawk.
I've been watching it.
Where they at? How far they at? I said,
I
me and
said,
Brie. I said, we're
yeah.
gonna literally meet Brie head to head and turn him into here.
And when I say, oh, there she go right down. And he's gonna put this stuff in the microwave.
And I thought they want a house on slow. They make a little, but they convert.
Like the ones we had for the
Yeah.
Mother's Day. These handles so good. I think Mama got them on Walmart. I don't know what for.
Beard.
Pretty girl? What is that?
Dirty girl. They're like silk figures from nothing get from a job.
Oh. Oh, James Madison got bonus stuff?
Go to people leave.
Okay.
Who got payment?
Oh, peaches.
Mine. Mine. Hey, well, as you can see, we have made it. I'm about to give y'all a tour in a minute. Just give me a second. My knees is knocking. They hurt really bad.
They what?
They knocking. We'll just sit over here for now. The time is currently 6:55. I don't feel like doing nothing right now. Them steps gonna get me. No who? No. I ain't but a cone. A cone. And I might gotta get some more of them. 3 flights of steps, y'all. Oh, let me just show y'all the downstairs while I'm right here. So you walk in, this is our door. The cars, da-da-da-da. Dining area. Kitchen. Smells like food. I don't know what all this is. Storage. Pantry. Washer and dryer. Oh, hi, Peach. Hi, vlog. They have a bathroom. And then let's go upstairs. Okay, and then bunk beds. And then this room. And then I just came from here, didn't I? Yeah. Mama, my parents' room. Cute, cute, cute. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And they bathroom and stuff. Okay.
She's trying to build a house, but it's gonna be more than a minute long.
Oh, yeah. That was weird right now. Well, I'm stopping there. Somebody gotta go up some steps and then hear me breathing. Okay, and then this is where me and Brittany are. We got this little kumbaya area. Okay. And then our room. And then, good, we got a body mirror. And then our bathroom. Closet. Okay. Somebody put a drink in. People throw a drink in.
In my head, I wish I would have heard the scream.
You gotta ask, come on, cause I don't know.
Every time I wipe my neck, it's always dirty. Like, damn. I'm scrubbing.
I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score. I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
But not that any man will do. That's right. We out here looking for some.
a lot, so I'm kind of trying to figure out what I'm gonna throw on because I really don't got no Cheeto clothes. But I'm talking to my vlog. I don't got no Cheeto clothes, but we're gonna make something work. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this on. This white tee. And then I think shorts. Even though this is not what I had this on with, but it's the only thing I can think to put on at 7 o'clock in the morning that will actually look decent on me right now. And I won't look too overdressed or too underdressed, you know? How do you dress? Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna do my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it. Okay. Cute claw clip over there. I gotta get white or something. Hopefully it's gonna move my head. It's in the back of me, so I really don't care. So we're in Publix. Y'all, my chin. Going through it. It's honestly ruining a girl's confidence. No, the ice maker was making ice.
It wasn't dropping. It dropped like 2-3 minutes after he pushed the thing.
I think we're all hearing different things. You bad, yeah. What it look like? I gotta give me some of that potato cheddar bacon soup. Anyways, we're in Publix getting things for my mother because today is her birthday. She's 53. It's too early. I'm hungry one, damn. To be on the safe side. I want some of these. There's some right here, but I don't know. No, do them.
So I get this one and have them write happy birthday, Mom? Or get this one, or I got happy birthday and we can just put Mom or Renee.
Top one, I like the top one better.
This one?
No, that one.
And have them write Mom or Renee.
Mom.
So she have her own identity.
That lady name, Mom.
Over here.
Like, it's so ugly. I need to go to Target so I can just go buy pimple patches and put them on there and try to spill them. Mom. Yeah, she's never blown out candles for her, but it's 53, right? Well, last year she said 53, and then it was actually 52, so I'm assuming 53. Okay. Should we get her numbers, or should we just do a candle? Ah, not her age is embarrassing. That's insane. Plates. I see no point. Start the dishwasher. I want everything right now. Everything is sounding really good. So hungry, y'all. I'm looking for something, the fastest thing for me to snack on right now. And I can't find anything. Ooh, these Ritz cracker things be awesome. They gotta be the ranch. $5. We done came a long way from Section 8. Used to eat ramen noodles, not pepper steak. Pull up on you with that roof on your face to face. I'm a real nigga, but fake is fake. I thought we forgot some of my date, baby. I need some headphones because they screaming so loud on me. But why are they $5? You know, they really ripping us the fuck off. I would just like to say. Ew. We on the way back.
On the way home?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so I got a new flavor. I've never seen this flavor before. It's called a Dream Float. I tasted that that lemonade pound cake thing.
The laid back lemonade.
The Delta 8. It was okay. I mean, I don't feel
Was it
nothing.
sparkling or no?
It was like a drink wise, yeah.
Like a soda?
Yeah.
You drank the whole thing?
I
So you just wasted.
I ain't drank the whole thing now.
You opened it that morning.
I would say it was ice creams.
Those
Oh, them ain't good. Creamsicle. Oh, they don't even want one. Let me try. Okay. What are you doing about food? Who is that? She was 52, and she said she was 53. Yeah, me at 21. She had graduation and everything. It's 52. And then because in her yearbook, everything. You get a watch. It's upstairs, my purse. No, it was there's a lighter right here. I need to go to Miracle. Where is that? Oh, she said stop it.
I ain't know it was up there.
Me neither. It's not no sparkling. Yeah, it's not. Dude, when she came upstairs, I was looking like this. I last night when we were going to sleep. I was very from beforehand. Like, fry your face. Like, you got a crow.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Just give me my money.
I have the blue one. The blue one? Oh, you want higher?
I got my speaker.
Yo, when she was in car, we was in car. Yeah.
Oh, man. We got on. Like less than 20 minutes.
It's a breakfast, so everybody need to get ready.
You're the best in the room. The baddest in the room. I'm so sorry. Work it, baby. You know better. Won't come better than you, girl, I'll never.
Yeah, with baby soup.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but I thought it was women's when I bought
It
it.
can go in and out. What it is?
Gold or silver? Silver, right?
Silver.
They disrespect me, niggas come to me.
My hair was a fucking mess.
Oh.
I'm just gonna put down here with the Red Bull.
Yeah. Then there's Braylon and Rosie. Y'all ain't seen them yet, but I know my lip gloss think that's so long. I'm gonna do Aquaphor because that sounds so much better. My skin is breaking out so bad and it's really pissing me off. I need to go to Target. So that's where I'm going when we leave. Another broken egg.
Damn.
Me and Mama always go to Target every time we come to the beach.
Oh, that's about right.
Okay, and then hair ties going here. Why I gotta be the last one to pull out? Okay, bad vlog. Okay. We're at another broken egg.
I saw the first watch down there. I was like, it's too bad. But
Yeah.
it's perfect. It usually stays okay.
I wanna say it was me, Mama, and Julie came here. Yeah.
This is exactly the lemon bottle. Which one is the drink? A picture too. A picture is close. It's too much to pick. Look at it. I might do the bacuezo. That'll ruin the whole meal. You ruined my whole meal.
Cause I got hoes in different
So blueberry margarita. Wait, no, it's caramel. Wait, let me tell you what it's called. Oh, a brunch blueberry margarita.
Go ahead.
You ain't never in town. I'm out of the way with Pablo. This nigga squared out of your chopper. You know not to play in my face, I swear it's hard for me to keep my calm, huh? He be tweaking cause he in my vato. In his pockets like I hit the lotto. I'ma get to this money, it's fuck these niggas. That's forever the motto.
You grip bus.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little smooth, I'm a little juice.
Okay, so now y'all, I need y'all to do me a favor. Please, because they be mad at me. Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm doing. They be like, what's
I wouldn't recommend. Wait, not you. I'm talking about them. I'm talking about her. That was a different conversation. She asked to get in the car with me. I said I wouldn't recommend you get in the car with me. I'm sorry. So we're currently shopping now. We're at Bass Pro Shop. Everybody's running to the bathroom now. I don't even know where to go. I'm a little fucked up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Shopping while drunk is insane. But I got a blue and a red. But I'm probably just gonna do the red. Not a blue and a red, a black and a red. Bass Pro Shop hat. And I got a black shirt as a gift.
I had Crocs in the Vans that G had on, or these Vans.
So I'm currently walking to American Eagle, H&M. I just left for it, so I'm gonna see if they had any sandals in there that were my size. They did not. So I'm on my way to H&M. I keep wanting to say American Eagle. I just left out of American Eagle. I don't know where my mom and them are. My drunkenness is somewhat worn off once I start to spend money. It sucks that it's been raining because we haven't been able to go to the beach or the pool or anything. I think we're like trying to just make the best out of it. We have like a fun activity I think we're supposed to do tonight. I'm not sure what we're doing, but I'm down for whatever. I want to move out here so bad. Thank you. Let's go into H&M. I'll pick y'all up in a minute. Currently in Sephora, I'm smelling fragrances that I see on the internet just to see what they really smell like. I smelled this one. I kind of like it. Kinda. Let's try this one. Oh, I just sprayed my whole bag. I'm gonna smell the Fleur because I seen that one for $28 online. It smells like cherry. Gourmand, yeah. I did it all for love. I did it all, no joke. Okay, let's see. I think I wanna like it, but I don't. That might be Ultra. Monet. Alright, let me smell this one and then I'm done. A little. Maybe get some.
Oh, this is the one that we had.
Okay, Braylon, smell this.
This
What
one
is
that me and KT got. Fireplace or was it?
Yeah, that smells like a Bath and Body Works.
Yeah.
But better.
Fleur. Went to a dispensary. I got like an indica and a hybrid gummies. They had runts too, but I was like, I'd rather not smoke it. Honestly, smoking has just gave me so much anxiety lately, so I haven't been doing it much, but I'm gonna try these out and see how they do as far as sleeping and stuff like that. I honestly might take one tonight and see how it does. Are you looking? Mama got it. To a dispensary. I got an indica and a hybrid. So everybody's going to the beach. I just don't want to go because I feel like they're literally gonna get out there and it's gonna pour. And I honestly don't want no part in it. How the fuck? What fucking light? God, there's so many light switches. There we go. God damn. They did all that and was able to get out of that parking spot perfectly fine. Yeah, I'll probably lay down. I'm tired. These 3 flights of steps. Something serious. Me, I want to live in a townhouse. No, the fuck I don't. The fuck I don't. Oh. Only thing I really like is just like 3rd level. I like the way it is. But I need like a what's that shit called? Ow, a balcony. Oh shit. Them steps ain't no hug. I'm just really annoyed because it's raining so fucking much. I'm over it. I'm over the rain. Alright, I'm gonna pick y'all up later. Probably get up.
Shit sad. Can't even reach for a spoon no more. I play when championship time. That's when I play.
Okay, so when I pull my car, I throw it into the shuffle. That's what we're going to.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, if you see something that, you know what I'm saying, you don't need, yeah.
I'm about to get this fucking quick. They got this in the hand. Damn, somebody take it motherfucker.
What the hell? I'm like, damn.
Like shit, I'm ready to jump across the table.
She been played this before. She grew up playing this. She know.
I'm still learning. Damn, somebody take it motherfucker.
Oh, I see what you do.
Hey vlog, so today is currently Saturday, the 7th. We're currently about to go to the beach. It's overcast like hell. But they said yesterday when they went out there, it was people still out there. They took us one of their tents and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that. I really don't know what we're doing today. I literally did not use the sink water. I had to use a bottle of water to wash my face because like when you come to the beach, it be like minerals and shit in the water. Which makes sense because every time after I leave the beach, my face be fucked up. I don't even know if I vlogged at the Italian restaurant I went to last night, but it was okay. We ended up playing spoons last night. That was fun. I got to show my friends now because that shit was fun. We be fine like hell. What else? I want to say that's it, like, but today we're just trying to go to the beach and do what we can because this weather has been so shitty. People were still in the water yesterday, so I think we'll be fine. I'm gonna bring y'all to the beach. Luckily, it's not like sunny hot where like my phone won't be overheating and shit like that. So I can just pop it up and show y'all what we're doing at the beach. But yeah. I gotta redeem myself of this goddamn trip, okay? How the hell is it gonna be cloudy the whole entire time? How? Huh? So we are currently all back at home now. I didn't really get much footage at the beach, but it was just chilling the whole time. But oh my motherfucking ear. Just got a shower. We figured to walk to this pizza place right around the corner, pizza and wing place, and then I'm coming back and I'm gonna lay my ass down. I could start editing this vlog because I don't think we're really doing anything tonight but playing games. What's crazy is I forgot I had these goddamn rubber bands in my mouth. My sister like told me not to wash my face with the water from down here. So I've been having a water bottle to wash my face. Y'all, it was overcast like hell and I still got burned. I don't understand. I understand, but I don't understand. I ain't see no sun. And then I'm having to use a fucking hand rag. Someone told me to bring some rags. Oh my God. But yeah, someone told me to bring some rags, but I still didn't. I'm finna take this shit out my head ASAP. ASAP. I'm talking, as soon as I get back to Madison, I'm washing my fucking hair. Taking it out my head and washing it. I don't know what I'm gonna do until then, but this shit gotta come the fuck out. Okay, I'm not gonna put nothing on my face right now because I just feel like my skin is so irritated right here that nothing needs to go on my face right here. And my face already just creates so much motherfucking oil. Okay, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna throw on. I'll pick y'all up. We probably walk into the restaurant. Currently about to walk to this restaurant. I am tired. I have a headache. I'm high-key ready to go to bed. I'm done for the day. I don't know if the being out by the beach drained me or what, but I'm fucking tired. Okay, well, so I'm currently about to start packing my clothes up and getting ready for in the morning. Because I told them, like, as soon as I get up, I'm getting out of here. So I need to, like, what do I need to do? I'm waiting on my sister. I'm trying to see. You found it? Yeah. You got me some drink?
There's no drinks left.
What?
Yeah, Leia got the last of the waters. So yeah.
Okay. Ew. Okay.